for crayons. D is for desk. E is for eraser. F is for folder. G is for glue. H is for homework. I is for ink. J is for juice. K is for kids. L is for lunchbox. M is for marker. N is for notebook. O is for office. P is for pencil. Q is for quiet. R is for ruler. S is for school. T is for teacher. U is for uniform. V is for values. W is for whiteboard. S is for Zondervoer. Y is for yellow bus. Z is for zoo trip.